Lagos, the largest city in Africa. Construction seems not to stop in one of the most visited cities in Africa. This is me at the construction site of the Arena project. So guys, sit, relax and enjoy as I tell you everything you need to know about this wonderful project. The Arena project is a 12,000 capacity project located in Victoria Island, Lagos. This project is aimed to create monumental center for entertainment and sports, featuring an hotel and ample parking space. Nigerian top musical artists has dominated the international scene in recent years. Artists like Burna Boy, Wizkid and Davido have sold out historical international centers like the Madison Square Garden, the O2 Arena in London, amongst others, to further solidify the global international appeal of the national music industry. While these artists are putting on great shows on the international scene, local audiences have had to largely settle for streaming or watching these shows without witnessing them. This might be a different narrative, as the 12,000 capacity event center called the Lagos Arena is currently under construction at the Palms, Lekki, Lagos. The arena, which name mirrors the London O2 Arena, is inspired by global standards, elevating Lagos to the forefront of global event space. This arena will be a beacon for possibility for Nigerian entertainment industry and also set the stage for world-class entertainment. The aim is to bring up Lagos to its global peers, making it a go-to destination for premier international events. The Lagos Arena has an area of 25,600 square meters. This multipurpose hall is basically designed as a concert hall, but we also host congresses and sport activities such as basketball, tennis, volleyball, boxing, wrestling, and more. This project is one of the kind in Africa, and it is right here in Lagos. This project will host over 200 events yearly, and it will significantly contribute to the country's growing economy. This project will provide a platform for Nigerians and international artists, boost the country's music, sport, and entertainment industry. This project will largely develop Nigerian infrastructure and create jobs, fill a large gap in Nigerian entertainment and sport industry. The project will also attract foreign investment through key strategic partnerships. The major aim of this project is to be an hotspot for entertainment, just like its predecessor, Eko Hotel Conventional Center. When completed, it will offer Nigerians music, sport and entertainment, a home for their shows to thrive. Today happens to be the 16th of January 2025, and this project is meant to be completed by December 2025. Let's take a look at what has been achieved so far.
Sitting in the basement apartment I rented with you, remembering the holiday party we had with the crew. Romeo was roaming the garden, Saturday was spent in a parking lot.
This is how the site of the project looks like as at on the 16th of January 2025. The project is still at its foundation stage. Nothing has been done yet. Thanks for watching this video up to this extent. If you love this video, please don't forget to subscribe and share with your loved ones. We'll meet in the next one. Peace.